Jane, that bell only means one sound. That means it's time to eat because it's time for Taste Texas.
That's right. And Chef Lori is back with another Lone Star favorite. Good morning, Chef.
Good morning.
Yeah, I am looking forward to this dish for a couple of reasons, because this one is healthy. Also, the story of how it came about is so interesting.
I make one healthy dish, and this is it.
One.
But it's good, too.
Which is what I love. Bring the unhealthy stuff back next month, okay?
Next month.
Okay, so we're talking Texas caviar.
We're talking Texas
Real quick,
caviar.
the story, how it came about.
Helen Corbett, she's a Texas legend, and I had to wear my hat. I'm sorry.
Yes, you look like a cowgirl Casanova this morning.
Because it's Cowboy Caviar, right?
The original Neiman Marcus.
The original
food
Neiman Marcus.
person.
She was over it, and they asked her to make a black-eyed pea dish. She did not like black-eyed peas, so she pickled them.
Okay.
And some vinegar and chopped up some tomatoes and chopped up some onions and put in there. And that's how it started. Now, as all things Texas, we started adding everything else to it, and it became what's now known as Texas caviar or Cowboy Caviar.
It is so good. Okay,
It
so
is.
let's go.
How do we
Let's
make it?
some.
Okay, so you guys are going to make one. So there's a basic, right? There's a classic one, which we'll start with. And you want, the main ingredient is the black-eyed peas, okay? So I put two sides, with two sides so you can
Put me
split
in
them
some.
there.
Put me
Because
some in
I
there.
know Aaron doesn't want many.
I've never had
good.
black-eyed peas. So should I put some in mine?
Oh, God, Aaron, you're killing me.
Don't admit that.
You're killing me
Well,
tomorrow.
I feel like every time Lori comes, she puts me onto something I've never had.
Okay, I'm going to make you some black-eyed peas, but they're not going to be like this.
Yeah, like the ones on New Year's.
Yeah. They're going to have some pork fat in them. Okay,
Yeah,
all right. So these, however...
These don't have pork fat in them.
No, and these are
these
are
are
healthy.
good for you kind.
Okay. And then you want to add black beans as well. There's a lot of protein in this dish. And
That's
you
what I
can
love
really
about
just
it.
eat it as a dip. You can eat it
Yeah.
as a salad.
So for
Yep.
women who are wanting protein, which is good for you,
This is good for
as
you.
a girl, you're going
like
to
black
ruin my
beans.
proportions.
Corn.
Well,
Ooh,
bit
a
of
little
corn in there.
corn.
Now, here, you can
Yeah.
have most of the corn.
Thank you.
You like corn?
I do love corn.
I knew she'd
Aaron's
like
had
corn.
corn. There's
Yeah,
one,
I knew
y'all.
she'd like corn. Okay, all right.
Okay, and now we've got some bell peppers.
You can have most of
and-
that.
Yeah, I'll take most of
You
them.
can't taste them. They're for crunch more than anything.
Yeah, she
They
doesn't
have-
like bell peppers.
Okay.
I can tell you that right now.
Now, if you want to start...
I
now,
know my girl.
Cilantro is also a
Yes,
key.
Yes.
lots
You
of-
like cilantro?
I do like
We've got a
cilantro.
problem here because we both like cilantro.
Now Jane
Okay.
loves cilantro.
So I
it's
get a
perfect.
little more than you do on
Okay,
the
that's
cilantro.
fine. That's fine.
Now you can get fancy. I put a little avocado in there
love a
because
little
I
avocado
like
in.
avocado.
You can have
No,
Okay,
do it.
okay, a little bit. She's teaching me a little
How
bit.
can you
Come on.
not like
There's
avocado?
so much
How
we
can
have
you?
to do, Jane.
I know. Lori, we have a project here.
We do.
I mean, she's a project. Let's just admit it.
Now stir it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, you're going to usually put a dressing on there that's going to have some type of oil,
Okay.
right? And a vinegar, because you're making a vinaigrette, and then some salt and a sugar or a honey if you need it.
Look at all these
So,
delicious,
I have
healthy
two that I made, and you can
ingredients.
pick which one you want. This one is a Mediterranean, and this one is a regular vinaigrette. Now, let me shake it up for you.
What's
okay?
the Mediterranean got in it that the regular doesn't?
The Mediterranean it has a pomegranate and a fig vinegar.
Oh, I'll take that
I
one.
was about to say, that sounds very much up Jane's alley. This is so colorful, though. I love that.
Yes. Here you go. So just go ahead and pour that on there.
Okay.
There you
I'm
go.
gonna put a
Make
little
it
bit of
good.
that on there.
And you can put a little more salt if you need. And now this one is the regular. Let me shake it up.
Okay.
And remember, vinaigrettes are always going to settle. So always shake
Yep.
them before you serve them.
Right.
And the regular one just has balsamic in it and regular avocado oil.
this looks good.
You can use avocado oil, you can use olive oil, any oil you want, and any vinegar really you want.
Okay.
And then here's a little salt in case you
Oh,
need
yeah, girl.
it.
Put
Yeah,
some
we'll have
salt
a
on
little
mine.
salt.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, we'll have a little salt.
A little
The
pinch
right
of do.
way. Little pinch will do. If you want to, it's your thing, baby.
Oh, okay. Well then,
There you
let
go.
me just put some more.
Okay, so this would be the basic Texas
basic.
caviar.
Yes. Now, there are all kinds of variations, and this is where it gets fun. This is a mango avocado one. So you can push the mangoes, the
avocados to the side.
Right. It's a little sweeter, okay? But you can taste this one, and I brought you little plates for it as well. And
Okay,
this
here you
one
go.
has
Here's your plate.
some
Thank you.
honey in the dressing, and actually it
Running
has
breakfast.
a mango an avocado honey in there. I found.
Interesting.
Yes, and that's good.
Beautiful.
I want to try that one on this side.
This one,
What's this?
This
The
is
Greek
the
one.
Greek one.
Yeah, that looks wonderful.
And it's got feta cheese on it. It's got some Kalamata olives in there. It's got cucumbers in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one has cucumbers.
You like a cucumber?
I love cucumbers.
Aaron likes cucumbers.
Oh.
That's two. Corn and cucumbers.
That's kind of exotic, Aaron.
Yeah.
Is it exotic? Okay,
I
we
don't
have these
know.
cute little things. Okay, what are these little
Those are little crostinis.
I love that little crostini.
Or you can use tortilla chips. Now, this one
I
is
love that
just
one.
for you. This one is mango.
Oh, that's for me?
This one is spicy. Spicy chipotle.
Oh yeah, that is for me. Does that what have like jalapenos or something?
It has jalapenos in it. It's even got some of those chili peppers, the chipotle peppers and
Yeah,
everything. I
that
made it
is
real
for me.
spicy. And then there's the classic.
Okay,
And you
let's
can
taste.
do this any way you want to. You like that? And
I
it's
like
healthy.
the feta cheese and the Greek olives.
I know,
Love
that's my
that.
favorite
Where do
too.
people find you?
Chef Lorious. Chef Lorious on Instagram and everywhere else you can find me, Chef Lorious.
We're going to have breakfast. We'll be right back.
Yes.
But we